AI tools are growing fast. New programs for content creation and updates come out every day, making it hard to keep up. I spent 5 months and $10,000 gathering all the information for you in one place. In this video, today I'll talk about the best AI tools for making video content that really work. I'll show you how to use them, save time and make money. Hit the like button and let's go! 5 months ago, my partner from San Francisco and I started a project using AI tools to create videos. We created about 100 videos and tested 20 different formats from historical content to puzzles, and today I'll share which tools are actually useful for creating popular videos right now and what results we've achieved. I'll talk about 5 major programs and at the end 3 new ones that are really useful for YouTube creators. So stay tuned until the end. Alright, first, my favorite AI tool. Hi Avatar! Hi Ilya! I could even record this whole video just by uploading the right script to my AI avatar. And this isn't the only one feature, but in my opinion the best one for video content creators when you use the HEYGEN AI video generator. Okay, let's go back to my real self. No, this is really me. I'm not sure how to prove it exactly, but just trust me. HEYGEN is a platform for creating and translating videos using AI avatars. It allows you to generate videos where instead of you or a famous person or an actor, a very realistic digital twin appears. All you need to do is set up your avatar in the program once and then just add text to it. The program even had a built-in AI script generator, AI script corrector, or you can upload your own text. You add this text to the created avatar and turn it into a live video with your voice, gestures, accents, and great precision. It's a great way to quickly create content without shooting. This will save you time and a lot of money. This platform is very easy to use, but there are still some mistakes you'll need to avoid. First, you'll need to record a short video of yourself as an example, which the program will analyze and use to create your avatar. When recording this live example, try to add more emotion than you would in real life, because the avatar will tone it down, and that's how you'll get the right emotional coloring. Also, try to record a video that lasts about 4 or 5 minutes, where you talk about different topics, laugh, shout, gesture. Basically use your full emotional range in different states so that the avatar can understand and replicate these emotions. The avatar will figure out the right moment to use them. Moreover, to add extra emotion to the script, use punctuation marks. This helps the AI learn. For example, if you want the avatar to say something loudly or with gestures, add a few exclamation marks. If you want a question in tone, add several question marks. Put a period and hit enter a few times to make sure the avatar logically completes a sentence and then starts the next one. It's better to record your video properly at first. Dedicate time to it. The better your video will be, and then your avatar will come out looking great. Perhaps you won't be satisfied with the quality the first time. Don't think that the program doesn't work well. Redo the avatar. This is something we have done many times, and you might be surprised by the difference between the first and second attempts. You can now widely use this program to create your videos for Shorts, Reels or TikTok. They are of excellent quality and can help you increase your content output to attract traffic to your channel or profile. When it comes to long-form content, I wouldn't recommend using this for now. If you are working with a long video, you'll need to plan very carefully on how to make it dynamic through editing, inserts, transitions, and additional shots. A speaking avatar for 20 minutes won't hold attention as well as a real person. How else can you use this program? First, you can create not just your own avatars, but also avatars of famous people. For example, for advertising purposes. You could also create funny videos for TikTok, Shorts or Reels with these avatars. For example, we made the videos where Einstein gave his opinion about artificial intelligence technologies. Steve Jobs evaluated the iPhone 16 and Marilyn Monroe chose which platform she would create her profile on. It turned out great. One more useful feature is the translation function. You can translate your video into other languages using lip syncing. The lips will move according to the speech and the translation will have your accent in that language. I left the link to the service in the video description. HEYGEN's pricing plans are periodically updated as the technology develops. However, as of January 2025, the basic plan will cost $29 per month. It includes unlimited video creation, but with a video time limit of up to 5 minutes. The premium plan will cost $79 per month, offering additional features and the ability to create high-quality videos. A free trial is also available, allows you to test the program before purchasing the paid version. So you can test it before paying. Second, Ideogram. When we were creating content, we needed the stories and characters described in our scripts to come to life in our videos. We couldn't find a ready-made service that creates high-quality videos directly from text, so we did it in 2 stages. For the first stage, we used the Ideogram program. Ideogram is a text-to-image generator. It generates high-quality, detailed images, which is why we chose it over other services. You can write a prompt describing exactly what you need, for example, a girl sitting on a chair, and the program will generate an image of that girl. You can generate multiple variations and approve them. As a content creator, you can use these images directly in your videos instead of searching stock images, which may cost money and often aren't exactly what you need. You can create a professional image tailored specifically to your request. We tried dozens of programs to find the most effective, the best performing ones, and those that deliver quality results today. And now we are sharing this with you for free. I think we deserve your like. Please hit it right now. What's important to keep in mind to avoid mistakes? The more clear and short your prompt is, the better the result will be. Write exactly what you need. How you should write the prompt? First, be specific. Instead of just saying create a landscape, describe the details clearly. For example, a green valley with trees in the foreground and mountains and a sunset in the background. This way, the program will generate a more accurate result. You can also specify a style. For example, you can ask for the image in a minimalist style or in the style of impressionism or even as a photograph. This should be included in your request from the start. I've also left the link to this service in the description. As for pricing, for $90 a month, you can get the basic plan, which includes the core features and access to image generation with basic settings. There is also a free trial available, so you can test it out, see how much you need it, and then decide if you'd like to purchase. On the second stage, we animated the generated images using the AI tool Elevenlabs. It's a fantastic tool for video production that allows you to generate video content, add effects, animations, synchronize audio and video, and much more. We upload the generated image into the AI tool and write a text script specifying how the image should be animated. Like with any AI tool related to video production, the first results may not always be perfect or exactly what you want. So, try doing a few generations, tweaking the script a bit, sometimes simplifying the animation, and see what kind of result you get. If you find that after 3 or 4 tries the animation still isn't working, it might be that this particular image just isn't suitable for animation. In that case, generate a new image in Ideogram and animate the new one. There can also be issues with animating human faces. Artifacts may appear, so first, if you have people in the shot, avoid long animations. Second, don't animate images with too many people in the frame. 1, 2, or at most 3 people. You can also use some of the templates that they offer to simplify the process. If you are working on faceless channels, this tool is perfect for you. Or if you want to create additional shots to illustrate something you're explaining in your video, this tool can be very useful for that as well. You can also use another tool similar to Elevenlabs called Runway. I'll briefly tell you about it. It has fewer tools that you can control yourself. On one hand, it's easier to work with this program, you can learn it faster, and it's more user-friendly, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the types of animations are fewer, and there are fewer options to customize the animation. So choose what specifically fits your goals. Actually, AI is everywhere now, and I believe it can be used in any field and for any tasks, while without it, everything is becoming more and more difficult. So, if you still don't know how to use it or don't know where to start, this video is a reason to change that. If you feel that even with AI, you are not able to handle the process of long video creation and YouTube promotion by yourself and need help, I suggest consulting with our team. Click the link below the video and sign up for a free consultation with our producer. We can discuss your project, understand your goals, strategies, growth opportunities, promotion, monetization, and help you integrate AI into the process of creating video content. The link to sign up is in the video description. We are waiting for you. Another interesting and useful tool is Elevenlabs. It's an AI that generates realistic voiceovers. It allows you to clone voices, create different accents and intonations, and is perfect for video translations, voiceovers for videos. For example, if you need a voiceover for your videos, such as for a travel or documentary film, it's ideal for channels without faces. Previously, you would have to hire a separate person, pay them to record their voice, but now you can either generate a voice in this program and choose the one you like, or select a voice you already like, which exists, and ask the program to generate something similar to it, essentially giving you a professional voiceover for your video. We used Elevenlabs in every video we made. We just created a voiceover for the host in long videos and shorts. We created voices for our avatars. For example, we found an actual recording of Einstein's voice and used Elevenlabs to create audio with his real voice for our video with his avatar. Just look at the example.
Well, it's certainly sleek and more advanced, but there's always room for improvement.
Which social media would I choose in 2024? TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube?
Artificial intelligence. An interesting and complex idea.
The voices generated in Elevenlabs sound incredibly natural. You can adjust the tone and change the intonation. You can also work with punctuation marks, add exclamation points, question marks, and extra spaces. You can find the link to Elevenlabs tool in the description of this video. Another nice piece of news: the pricing is very affordable. The paid plan starts at $5 per month, and the most optimal plan costs $25 per month, but for the first months you'll pay half the price, just $11. And the fifth. Of course, when we talk about AI tools that can be used for video production, I can't not mention Chatgpt. Of course, you all know what Chatgpt is, it's already a proper name and everyone is using it, but don't switch off. I'll focus on how it can specifically assist in the video content creation process. Chatgpt is great for tasks during the preparation stage. What can it help with? First, finding and analyzing competitors. It can find specific channels, suggest ideas and topics. If you, for example, don't have a large team or simply want to explore a variety, it can provide a huge number of topics ideas, analyze your questions and interests, review your Instagram or YouTube profiles, see which videos are already performing well just by giving it the links. In a short amount of time, it can offer a wide variety of options that are not available to humans. You will have a choice of what it suggests and can select the best ones. Secondly, Chatgpt can help you create a content plan. It will automatically suggest a table format that includes all the essential parameters you need to track. It will also help you formulate a strategy for what content to post throughout the month, which categories to focus on, and how to make your content go viral, gain views, and grow your channel. And of course, Chatgpt can help you write scripts. You can upload videos that were successful for your YouTube colleagues on the same topics, so it can analyze them, look at what worked in those videos, and find the rules for writing a script. By the way, let us know in the comments if you want a separate video on how to write an engaging script for YouTube, because there are certain rules for that. If you want such video, we'll definitely make it. So, you can upload these rules directly to Chatgpt, and if you have the Plus version, which I recommend using, it will remember these rules and you won't need to remind it anymore. It will immediately give you a script in a correct structure with the necessary elements to engage the audience based on the details you provided in your request. And for those who watched until the end, here's a bonus: 3 new AI tools that are perfect for YouTube creators to promote their content. The first one is Spotter Studio. This program helps analyze competitors, generate content ideas based on analysis, and even suggest ideas for thumbnails that could work in your niche. This tool is made for specific narrow task of analysis and can really help at the early stages of promotion. If you want to promote your YouTube channel, you should try this program. The second one is Opus Clip. This tool, with just one click, cuts your long videos into several short ones that you can use for Shorts, TikTok or Instagram Reels. It automatically selects potentially trending moments that could go viral and bring you views. It's a great helper in creating short content and coming up with ideas that could become viral. Of course, you can use not all the short videos that he will suggest, but there are 4, 5 or 6 videos regularly that you can use. And the third tool is called Pika, a program for creating short videos which is perfect for trends. With this program, you can create tricks in your videos with just one click, surprise your audience, gain more views, and attract subscribers to your platforms. Many creators are using this now, but time will tell us if this is just a trend or if the program will develop and improve. Don't forget to like this video and share in the comments which AI tools you use for creating video content. I'm sure I haven't covered them all. and what's your favorite. See you in a week, but for now check out this video where I set up a whole filming studio at home for just $500.